AZCO designed and manufactured a cut-to-length system with material guides and a leading eye sensor for a hand-fed process. An internal eye sensor picks up the leading edge of the material. The machine makes the specified number of cuts and continues to feed, looking for the next sheet. Material guides provide a hard edge for squareness and can be adjusted for different width materials. The controller stops feeding before the drive rollers lose traction and backfeeds the remaining material for the operator to remove. This unit will feed and cut material with accuracy plus or minus 0.38 millimeters, or 0.1% of cut length, whichever is greater. Please give us a call to discuss your application.